Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for the latest in tech gear and accessories. Today, we're diving into the world of connectivity with the NZXT Internal USB Hub 3. If you've ever wished for more USB ports or a cleaner cable management solution for your PC, stick around because this might be just what you need. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our tech reviews. Let's jump right in. The NZXT Internal USB Hub 3 is all about expanding your PC's connectivity options. With 4 internal USB 2.0 ports and a connection to your motherboard, it's designed to give your system the extra USB real estate it deserves. Let's take a closer look at its features. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk compatibility. This USB hub is perfect for desktop PCs and can be seamlessly integrated into your existing setup. One of the standout features of this hub is its truly compact design. It's small enough to be easily hidden away, ensuring your PC setup remains clean and clutter-free. Power stability is crucial, and the NZXT Internal USB Hub 3 has you covered with its SATA power connection. Say goodbye to unreliable power sources for your connected devices. Installing this hub is a breeze. It features a magnetic body for easy attachment and comes with 3M dual lock tapes for secure mounting. No need to worry about it coming loose. In a nutshell, the NZXT Internal USB Hub 3 allows you to expand your system's connectivity. It's perfect for hooking up additional USB 2.0 devices, whether it's all-in-one liquid coolers, fan controllers, or lighting accessories. The hub is designed to be tucked away neatly, and installation is a piece of cake thanks to its magnetic body and 3M dual lock tapes. Wondering how you might use this hub? Well, imagine having more USB ports for your peripherals, external hard drives, or even VR equipment. It's all about enhancing your PC experience. To sum it up, the NZXT Internal USB Hub 3 is a must-have accessory for anyone looking to expand their PC's connectivity while maintaining a clean and organized setup. With its compact design, stable power, and simple installation, it checks all the boxes for a seamless experience. That's it for our review of the NZXT Internal USB Hub 3. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow PC enthusiasts. For more tech reviews and the latest gadgets, stay tuned to Product Critique. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.